Welcome to Let's Make a Day of It. Today we're hiking in a snowstorm. You have friends. Wow.
Hello. Today we are in the Stony Swamp sector of Ottawa's Greenbelt, and it's just a little bit snowy.
Lost.
He's lying.
I don't know where the trail is. We're in the middle of the woods somewhere.
Trail's right there. See, we're not lost. He found a map.
I'm still not sure exactly.
You're so snowy.
Alright, so we'll go to C first?
Sure.
Okay, let's do it. And I guess that's not a trail.
My scarf used to be red. It's white now.
We're becoming snowmen.
Matt found a walking stick.
Oh yeah, it's more like a tree.
I caught a sighting of Bigfoot. Turn around. Yeah.
It's a little snowy. It's a good thing I don't have a mustache or a beard. It'd be like completely white.
We're getting kind of wet.
Wet
And we
and
thought
snowy.
we were almost back at the car, but it turns out we are at C, which is the furthest point.
We were thinking we haven't seen a marker for a long time. We thought maybe they didn't have any and we were almost back to the car. But we just found out that we're actually only at the halfway point of the trail, so we still have a little ways to go.
Let's do it.
We don't have a choice. Are you seeing everything well on this walk?
I'm not really. It's nice though, it's not too cold actually.
Yeah, it's not very cold.
I just can't see anything.
You're looking through water droplets and a fog on your glasses. that is. Looks like remnants of some kind of house or something. It actually has some stonework here. Interesting. I don't know. We find all these neat little old remains of buildings on these trails. History of the Ottawa area from homesteads from years ago, maybe.
I don't know.
All right, sorry.
Got distracted
Yeah.
by some ruins.
Yeah, found some cool ruins. Had to show them. Well, we made it back finally from our winter walk in the snow. It was fun. The snow is stopping now a little bit, but it was a really nice walk today. Thanks for coming along with us. Hope you enjoyed it. And until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.
It snowed a bit while we were gone.